Welcome to Keto Master. Subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on keto tips, news, videos and ideas. The 12 most common keto side effects and remedies. The ketogenic diet, a diet that makes you eat less carbs and more fatty foods, is now known to be one of the most effective ways to lose weight. However, people who have been in this kind of diet have talked about the most common side effects of it. Now, if you're thinking about starting your keto diet, you should learn about the common side effects too. This way, you can prepare yourself and adapt to the changes faster than you could. Let's get started. 1. Fatigue. You will normally experience fatigue, especially during the early days of your keto diet due to the lack of carbs and imbalanced electrolytes. This is not a permanent side effect, but it's still not a good feeling to have. Remedy. Try resting more to gain more energy and combat fatigue. 2. Constipation. Fiber helps the body perform bowel movement more easily. Unfortunately, most sources of fiber, like beans and grains, are not allowed in the keto diet. Due to this, constipation is also one of its most common side effects. Remedy. There are alternative sources for fiber, like almonds and avocados, that are allowed in the keto diet. Make it a habit to include them in your diet. 3. Frequent urination. The reason for this is that your body is losing glycogen, which can be found in carbs. Your muscles and liver store glycogen, and your body starts using it when the glucose in your blood is low. When you eat carbs, the glycogen in your body is retained. When you stop eating carbs, the retention of water from glycogen weakens, making you pee often and lead to dehydration. Remedy. Drink more water than you normally did before your keto diet to replace the water your body released. 4. Carb cravings. In a keto diet, you deprive yourself of carbs, and that can be extra challenging if you used to love carbs a little too much before starting. You may experience some intense carb cravings that might become a hindrance to your everyday activities. Remedy. Increase your intake of carbs just enough to help your body deal with the loss of carbs and help you function better every day. 5. Dizziness, nausea. You will experience nausea or dizziness mainly because your body is getting dehydrated and your electrolytes are not enough. This usually happens when you're just starting off your diet. Remedy. Eat keto-approved foods like broccoli to obtain enough electrolytes. Also, include a balanced meal in your diet so that you can get the nutrients that your body needs. 6. Muscle cramps. Another effect of electrolyte imbalance is muscle cramps. The most common cause of this is the lack of magnesium in your body. Remedy. Get a prescription for magnesium supplements to help you deal with your muscle cramps. 7. Sleep problems. Yes, better sleep is a benefit of being in a keto diet, but not when you're just starting. This is because when you withdraw from carbs, your levels of tryptophan, which produces serotonin that includes sleep in its functions, will decrease. Remedy. Eat keto-approved foods rich with tryptophan such as eggs, hummus, and chicken. 8. Headaches. Headaches are a little bit different from nausea. They are these sharp pains you feel in your head. However, they are also caused by dehydration that you will experience when you start your keto diet. Remedy. Find out the cause of your headache. It can be magnesium deficiency, dehydration, or lack of carbs. Include keto-approved foods that will supply what your body lacks. If it's still incredibly painful, you may take an aspirin. 9. Bad breath. Bad breath or keto breath happens because during ketosis, your lungs give off acetone, and despite that being a good sign when it comes to your diet, your keto breath won't go away until your body has adapted to the diet. Remedy. Take temporary solutions like gums or masks. You can also add 50 grams of carbs every day to help your body go into ketosis gradually. 10. Vitamin deficiency. Another expected side effect is vitamin deficiency as your body stops eating foods that can give it different kinds of nutrients. Remedy. Take vitamin supplements to make up for the lost nutrients from the foods you stopped taking. 11. Kido Flu. Kido flu is very common in the early stage of ketosis. It's just like your ordinary flu and will pass after your body has adapted to your new diet. Remedy. Drinks lots of water and consume foods rich in magnesium, potassium, and sodium. It would also be helpful to do some mild exercises like walking and meditation. 12. Kidney damage. Kidney damage can happen when you eat too much meat while your water intake is lacking. This results in the production of uric acid, which can then cause kidney stones. Remedy: be responsible for your meal planning. Stay away from processed meat and increase your water intake. Conclusion: side effects while undergoing a keto diet are common, especially when you're just starting. However, don't get discouraged, as they normally will fade after a while. On the other hand, if they end up getting worse, you might want to consult your doctor.